All right, we're gonna go for a ride in an unusual vehicle. We've had a few of them over the years.
Oh yeah.
This is a 1963 Studebaker Avanti R1. They made an R2, which was supercharged. Those are pretty cool too. But this is the R1 version. It's got a 289 Studebaker V8 in it. Turbo 350 automatic transmission. It's got front power disc brakes. Pretty cool interior. You know, all the chrome trim around all the gauges, early 60s style.
Yep, space race.
Yep, space race.
Yeah, I've got to have all these things in here to look at.
It's got a factory air conditioning. It could be retrofitted to the newer style Fran. I think that's a must for this car. But overall, real good shape. The interior is pretty original. Seats have been redone. The paint's about a 5 on a 1 to 10. It's all one color and shiny, but I don't know if it could be used get rubbed out or whatever to make it look a little bit better, but it's a little orangey, but very presentable and a solid car. Never been wrecked. It's not rusty. It was a California car since new. These cars, of course, are fiberglass. Same designer of the Corvette designed this car, and they were actually faster than the Corvette 63. Pretty cool. Andy Granatelli used to race one, the supercharged version.
Oh yeah, the R2. Yep.
But nice driver, comfortable, unique. You don't see these every day.
That's for sure.
They handle pretty good. Yeah, it's got a full frame on it. Pretty cool. Oh, we're gonna head up to our picture spot here.
Oh yeah.
Take some pictures.
All right, here's a pretty rare car here. It's a 63 Studebaker Avanti R1. They built about 3,800 of these, and they're made out of fiberglass. Same guy, I think, designed the Corvette, designed this, and they're uniquely designed, as you can tell. Kind of that's the 60s, the space race and all that. Kind of post, I guess, like mid-modern, mid-century modern or whatever. And this one was ordered in '62 and sent out to LA, and then they went ahead and somebody drove that thing and had a good time with it, and it's gone through a few hands, but it's still in pretty good shape. It's got a rebuilt 289 in there and a 3-speed automatic transmission, and they redid some of the interior and stuff like that, and I can show you some pictures of that. There we go. You can see the seating surfaces are really nice. It was redone. Back redone over there. Looks pretty good. Newer carpet. And then they got all the fancy knobs, kind of almost like Thunderbird had knobs like that, I think, in the 60s. And then over here you got every gauge in the world you need, which is really cool. Keep track of all your engine vitals, even a vacuum gauge. Yeah, it's quite the car. And like I say, you don't see a lot of them around because they didn't make that many. And if you want something very unique, this is the one to have. All right, here's the power plant on the Studebaker there. 289 V8. Decent running engine, rebuilt it not too long ago. Got some fancy chrome valve covers. Got powered front disc brakes. Does not have power steering, but not too hard to drive. I'm gonna go around to the other side, and it's got air conditioning. That's kind of there's an option there, and it's been upgraded to 134. Might need a little work still, but it's already been converted. So we're gonna start this up. There she goes. Nice and smooth, quiet. Let's take a listen to the exhaust. All right, that V8 power. Well, we got this rare gem of a car here. over here at California Cars. We're located in the Simi Valley. Phone number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to Gary or you can speak to Rich. We'd be more than happy to show you this car. Pretty unique, you know, and it's kind of a fun thing to have around because you're not going to see a lot of them.